I am starting the mathematics video series using simplification. Very important topic. You may be at GCSE, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10. But if you are in grade 7, if you are basically managing mathematics, if you have fair knowledge, you no need to participate for the extra mathematics class, unless if you are very weak. But from grade 8 it is must, because we need to lay the foundation from grade 8 itself. GCSE include 8, 9, 10, 11, not only grade 11. So therefore, when we try to practice from grade 11, you won't get enough time to practice. The question format, paper format, and taking off your fear, all these things very important. So we need time. The subject like maths, we need to understand each and every point. So therefore, we need to lay the foundation from grade 8 itself. Subject like science and IT. Other subject you can manage, because most of the time you read, understand, memorize and you practice. But subject like mathematics, IT and science, you need to answer questions with very good understanding. Then only you can perform right in the future studies. You need to improve the intelligence as well. So therefore, we need to start from very first basic, because simplification is very important. When we consider the mathematics, you may need to get the final answer for part 1. Then you need to substitute that answer to part 2. Then from part 2 to part 3. If you cannot perform the simplification properly, you won't be able to get the answer properly. Then all your part 2, part 3 answer will be wrong. Sometimes you may assume they will provide marks for methods, right? That depends on the person who correct your papers. The other thing is, even if you know the method, if you can't simplify and take a proper answer, exact answer, then we can't use that knowledge there. So that is another thing. Therefore, simplification is very important. We need to understand from basic to algebraic simplification. So no need to worry about anything. Even if you are at 0 stage, right? Let's say I have a drop mathematics, I don't know simplification, my everything is confusing. Don't worry at all. I am starting the journey from very basic. But you need to pay attention. Whatever the lessons I am teaching, you need to practice, that's it. I am not going to do like 100 odd sums, right? For example, I will show you in the future videos, because most of the time plenty of headings. That is another confusing part. When you come to the simplification, you say mixed number simplification, mixed number and fraction, fraction and fraction, likewise lot of headings. Then you think to cover this particular area, you need to know these 8 kind of headings. So you take it as a big topic. Don't worry, right? Each and every topic I will clearly show you with using very simple method. I'll be covering everything. Only thing is, you need to pay attention, right? First we are going to start from addition. 5 plus 7. You don't take this as addition, right? You take as putting like numbers together. Because if you practice this way, when we come to algebraic expression, it will be very simple for you to calculate any complicated sums. Getting answer will be very easy. So 5 mean, actually it is a plus 5. Normally we won't put plus sign, but it is plus 5. So we need to practice this way. we are putting plus 5 and plus 7 together. So the like numbers, when we put together, we can add it. So 7 plus 5, 12. So all like numbers, so you can say answer is 12. 7 minus 5, don't take it as a subtraction. Don't take it as a subtraction. You take, what is the sign of this? Plus. What is the sign of this? Minus. When signs are different, you forget about these signs. Just consider the difference. So you just take this number as 7. Don't take as plus. Don't take as minus 5. Just take it as 5. So what is the difference between 7 and 5? 2. Then we need to give first preference to larger number sign, right? Largest numbers sign. What is the largest number sign? Plus. So then answer should be plus 2. Difference between these two number 2, but the larger number carrying plus sign, therefore first preference should be given to the plus sign. So answer will be 2. Normally we are not writing like this, so I wanted to explain everything very clearly. That's what I am putting here, the plus sign. 5 minus 7, right? How to subtract 7 from 5, right? So then you need to consider here plus 5 minus 7. So forget about the sign. Don't worry about the sign. So difference between 5 and 7, 2. In this case, the largest number is carrying minus sign. So therefore, we are giving first preference to minus. So you can write minus 2. Minus 5 minus 7, okay, the like signs. So then you no need to worry, you can just add up. 7 plus 5, 12, both having minus, so therefore you no need to consider the difference. Just put together and write the answer with minus, right? So very basic. So later I will show you, when you repeat these rules and when you understand this rule properly, when we are simplifying algebraic functions, you will see it will be very easy for you. Therefore only 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Today onwards you need to make sure any kind of plus minus combination I can simplify, right? You no need to keep any doubt. No, later when we are doing some other sums I will clarify. No way, right? Here you need to give the full stop, right? Then multiplication and division. Simply we write 5 into 7. You all know this, right? But now you know 5 mean plus 5, 7 mean plus 7. So 5 into 7, 35. So when plus numbers are multiplied together, the answer will be plus. So this you no need to memorize. Day to day we practice this, right? So therefore you no need to put additional the attention to this. You simply you can write the answer. When multiply a minus number with plus number, always you need to remember first preference should be given to minus sign. So forget about the sign. 5 into 7, 35. But here minus and plus, answer is always should be minus. When we multiply minus into minus, always answer is plus. Even for division it is same, right? So it's very simple. This you no need to memorize. We know that how to multiply, right? Only thing is you pay attention for these two. When minus and plus multiply together, always answer will be in minus. When minus and minus multiply together, answer should be in plus. Same for division. Now here minus 35 divided by 7. So forget about the sign. 35 divided by 7 is 5. But here minus and plus include. So therefore first preference should be given to minus. So it's very simple. You keep it in mind. First preference should be given to minus. That's all. Minus 35 divided by minus 7. So normally they won't provide this sign and this together, right? So this also same, right? Here either this format or this format. So when minus and minus plus for multiplication and division, you may think this is nothing, but you need to practice these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 just 10 lines and make sure I am at 0 level, but from here onwards I will listen to this lesson and I will make grade A for mathematics. I can obtain grade A for mathematics. So then there shouldn't be any doubt adding plus minus numbers and plus minus multiplication, because gradually I'll be expanding, I'll come to complicated sums. So then when these theories are very clear, you won't make any mistake. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.